Hi boys and girls, we're going to be starting topic 12 from your home learning bag. Topic 12 is all about length and measurement. Today we're going to do the introduction activity, and then as we go through, we'll keep talking about some of the vocabulary and other things that you'll need to know. So for today's lesson, you're going to need the paper that looks like this. It says length, also says topic 12 right up here on the top. You'll also need the paper that was inside. That's our story. You know that you can go ahead and fold this so it looks more like a book, and we're going to follow along with the math video today. On the inside of the paper that says length, there's a really fun game that you can play with a family member. There are directions right over here. For this activity, you'll need a paper clip and a pencil. You're going to be making a spinner just like we practiced a lot in class this year. It does say that you'll need cubes. We've sent you a couple in a bag, but not enough to play this game. You can use anything that's about the same size of a cube to play. So if you have pennies or Cheez-Its, anything that's something that you can put on to measure, that's fine. So we're going to watch the math video together of the story. You can follow along in your own book, and when you're finished, you'll have time to color at the end.
Help Us Measure, written by Liz West, illustrated by Jim Steck. We come from space. Help us measure it is about rulers long.
So looking at the picture that matches in your book, about how many rulers long, and the ruler's right here, do you think the cat is? So right now, we're estimating how long the cat is. It's not an exact measurement because you don't have that little ruler in front of you. So you kind of just have to size it up and think, about how long is that cat? When you have your answer, you can go ahead and write it on the line.
3. We find new things. Help us measure it is about rulers long.
So same thing right here. I'm looking at my next page. About how many rulers long do you think this pencil is? Now, each ruler in this activity is about the length of a cube. That might help you to sort of size it up. When you have your answer, go ahead and write it down.
4. What a big place! Help us measure it is about rulers long.
So now we're on the page with the fork. Same thing. About how many rulers long do you think this fork is?
5. We are hungry. Help us measure it is about rulers long.
That's the last one. So looking at that sandwich, about how many rulers long do you think it is?
6.
And you know what? Looking at that one, I think the picture on the video is a little bit different than the picture we have in our book, because I'm not sure that I agree with that looking at this one and how long the ruler is. So if you came up with a different answer than 6, I think that's okay, because if I look at this one, I don't think that that's 6 rulers long, like the video says. I think their picture is a little different than ours. Okay, so now that you're all done filling in your answers in your book, you have lots of time to still color today. Remember to check out the math video in Seesaw, or the math activity that Miss Pinkham has posted, and we'll see you guys again soon.